kids, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. So welcome to our online class at home. So first of all, we will start this class with some etiquettes. Let's see. So our first etiquette is wish your teachers. So students, you have to wish your teacher good morning, and if that is good afternoon time, then you will say good afternoon. And if that is evening time, so you will say good evening. Okay, now see the next etiquette. Take permission before entering to the office and classroom. When you will enter in any classroom or office, on that time you will take permission. Excuse me, may I come in? You will say, excuse me, may I come in? This is a good etiquette. So these are etiquettes which we will follow in our daily routine. Okay? Now take out your GK's notebook and note down the date and write classwork. Now note down the title, fill in the blanks. Here I have given the helping words. Now we will read the sentence and write there the correct option. So write the first sentence. Our national water animal is. Now tell me, our national water animal is dolphin. So write here dolphin. Very good. Now read the next sentence. There are dash days in a year. How many days there in a year? Yes, 365. So here in helping words, here is written the 365. So write here 365. Now read the next sentence. Dash is the biggest bird on the earth. So what we will write here? Yes, very nice. We will write here ostrich. Ostrich is the biggest bird on the earth. So write here ostrich. Now read the next sentence. Dash is called the Orange City. Which city is called the Orange City? Yes, Nagpur. So write here Nagpur. Very good. So this is our GK's classwork. Now move to our class. So let's see. Now look at this picture and tell me, what are these? Tell me, what are these? Yes, these are sense organs. These are sense organs. And tell me now, how many sense organs in our body? Yes, there are 5 sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. Very good. Now, see this. First is eyes. This is eyes. So, what we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. Here is a pencil. But how we see it? Yes, we see it with our eyes. We see it with our eyes. And now tell me, what is this? This is ear. This is ear. And what we do with our ear? Yes, we hear with our ear. We can listen anything with our ear. So this is ear. We can hear with our ear. Very good. Now see the next one. What is it? Yes, this is nose. This is nose. Yes, this is our nose. And what we do with our nose? Yes, we smell with our nose. This is a flower and we smell this flower fragrance with our nose. We can smell anything with our nose. So this is our third sense organs. First is eye, second is ear, and third is nose. Now see the next one. Now see this picture. Yes, this is a picture of skin. We can feel with our skin. Yes, we feel with our skin. We can feel it. Now see it. What is it? Yes, this is very hot. So, what we do with our skin? Yes, we feel with our skin. This is very hot. Now see it. It is very cold. So, we can feel with our skin. This is our fourth sense organs. Now see it. This is our fifth sense organs. This is a picture of tongue. And what we do with our tongue? Yes, we taste with our tongue. Your mama cook very tasty food. This is very tasty. So, how you will taste it? Yes, you will taste it with your tongue. We taste with our tongue. What we do with our tongue? Yes, we taste with our tongue. Very good. So these are our sense organs. These are our sense organs. Now tell me what we do with our eyes. Yes, we see with our eyes. Very good. Now tell me what is it? It is a notebook. But how you will see it? Yes, with our eyes. We will see it with our eyes. Now tell me. Now tell me what we do with our nose. Yes, we smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. Very good. Now tell me what we do with our ear. What we do with our ear? Yes, we hear with our ear. We hear with our ear. Good. Now tell me what we do with our skin. What we do with our skin? Yes, we feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Very nice. Now tell me what we do with our tongue. What we do with our tongue? Yes, we taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Very nice. So what we learned today? Yes, about sense organs. Now it's time to our science work. So take out your science notebook. Note down the date and write classwork. Now note down the title. Fill in the blanks. So first of all we will read the sentence and fill the correct option. Now read the first sentence. We smell with our. Now tell me how we smell. We smell with our. Yes, nose. So write here nose. Now read the next sentence. We hear with our. Tell me. We hear with our. Yes, ear. So write here ear. We see. Now read the second sentence. We see with our. Yes, we see with our. Yes, eyes. So fill here eyes. Now read the next sentence. We taste with our. Tell me. We taste with our. Yes, tongue. So write here tongue. Now read the next sentence. We feel with our. We feel with our. Yes, skin. So write here skin. Write here skin. So this is our science classwork. Now it's time to our dictation words. So turn the page. Note down the date. Now note down the title dictation. Good. Now write the first word. hand, hand. Now write the next one. Hair, hair. Now write the next. Legs, legs. Now write the next one. Lips, lips. Now write the next. Tongue, tongue. Write next one. Mouth, mouth. Write next word. Fingers, fingers. Next write. Foot, foot. Good. Now match your dictation words with these words. I have written here all the words. Match your dictation words. Good. Now it's our reading practice time. Now try to read it. My 5 cents. My 5 cents. Now read next line. I can see birds. I can see birds. Now read the next line. I can hear bell. I can hear bell. Now try to read next line. I can smell flower. I can smell flower. Now read the next line. I can eat an apple. I can eat an apple. Now it's time to our homework. So now note down the homework now. So in homework you will write any 8 fruits name. In homework you will write any 8 fruits name. Now we will meet in next class. So keep learning and stay safe.